Hi, I just wanted to show you how to do a scatter plot in Power BI. Um, Whenever we have a question like, is there a correlation between, or is there a relationship between two continuous variables, a scatter plot is the ideal way to explore that. So in Power BI, I've already loaded the data, and here I am on my canvas. I'm just going to insert a scatter plot there. I'll resize it a little. And the question says, is there a correlation between guest satisfaction and total price? So I'm going to open up my Airbnb's table and we're going to find guest satisfaction right there. I'll click on it, sticks it on the x-axis, and total price sticks it on the y-axis. And it's probably appropriate. We tend to, at least I think, price should probably go um, along the y-axis. But you can see that it's aggregated all the points into one data point, and that's not what we want. So what we want is to come over here and pull down on sum of guest satisfaction and select don't summarize. And then pull down on total sum of total price and select don't summarize. And so you see it shows our points, it spreads them out. So we're seeing the raw data here. And now it's kind of hard to see a relationship there. I'm going to adjust this a little. We can adjust these X and Y axes. Notice there's a lot of outliers here. So if we're looking for a relationship, we probably want to be down in the meat of the data. So I'm just going to go ahead and click over here on Format Your Visual and click into my Y-axis, and I'll set the maximum to about, we'll say like 3,500. Let's start with that. There we go. That seems to get most of the data. You could go ahead and adjust here too and set our minimum up to 60, but I'm just going to leave it. The other thing that you'll want to do that's helpful to answer this question and be a little more explicit about whether there's a relationship is we can come over here to our analysis pane and we'll add a trend line. You see it sticks that trend line in there. So that's how you do a scatter plot in Power BI.